Okay, we're going to talk about dividing with a remainder today. We're going to be working with remainders. So far, we haven't really talked about remainders yet this year, so this is kind of an introduction to the lesson. And on this paper right here at the top of the paper, it talks about examples on how we can use counters to help us divide. And you have a problem right here, 20 divided by 3. And they went ahead and arranged them in an array. They arranged out, they put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You can see they grouped them into groups of 3, and they had 2 left over. And I got a little bit different strategy that we're going to use. But the answer to that would be 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each group there. I'm going to show you a little different way I find a little bit more effective and something you can use when you're working out these problems. And we'll go ahead and look at the first problem, and I'll show you the strategy. Okay, on problem number 1, it's got 17 oranges, 3 oranges in each box, so that's 17 divided by 3. So it looks like right here it's showing that there's going to be a remainder for us. So how I like to do this is I like to take my divisor and make an array. Make an array with my using my divisor as the top of my row. And in this problem right here, my divisor is 3. And I'm going to go ahead and try to get 17 in an array using 3. So my first row is going to be 3, and I'm going to count up to 17, making my array. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and since I've, you see there's 2 left over right here. The 2 left over right there. Change the color. Okay, that's going to be my remainder, the 2 that are left over. So I'll go ahead and write my remainder in there of 2. And how many groups of 3 do I have? Or how many do I have in my groups of 3? 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, or my 3 groups. It's not groups of 3 in it. My groups are actually, how many is in each group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in each group. I keep on saying groups, so it's just 5. Okay. Erase that. We'll do our next problem. Okay, now we have 9 oranges, or 9 divided by 2, with what left over? So I'm going to do my array again. My array is going to be an array with 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the 9 right there, that's that part of my array that's left out, doesn't really fit into the rectangle. That's my remainder. Have a remainder of 1, and then got 2 equal groups here, and in each of the groups there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. So 9 divided by 2 is 4, with 1 left over, or a remainder of 1. Okay, let's go ahead and look at problem number 3. Erase my little work area here. Okay. Can the remainder be greater than the divisor? And explain. Okay, you cannot have a remainder larger than the divisor, because if you had more left over, you could put it into another group, for instance. So if we take the same problem, 9 divided by 2, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll say 7, 8, 9 is my remainder. 7, 8, 9 is my remainder. And we try to say that our answer would be 3, remainder 3. Okay, I can make another group of, I could add 2 more to my group there. I could put 2 more in there and have a remainder of 1 right there. So you just can't, if you ever end up with a remainder that's larger than your divisor, you did something wrong, basically. So we'll go ahead and write no. I think we gave a pretty good explanation of why you can't. Because if you had more left over, you could add that to your groups. Okay, number 4. Erase my little work area here. Okay, on problem number 4. Okay, and while you're doing this, you see I have a work area, and you don't have that same area on there. I just covered up one of the problems to use as a work area. What I want you all to do is I want you to use a piece of scratch paper, and you can attach it to the worksheet. That way you can see your work. And as you're working out the problems, go ahead and box in your work area, and you can label whatever problem you did. Like that one we used, that was problem number 3. And we can go ahead and that way I can look at it and see your work. So we're going to do problem number 4 now. Problem number 4, so I'll go ahead. Problem number 4 right there. It says Dave is packing 23 sweaters into boxes. Each box will hold 3 sweaters. How many boxes will he fill, and how many boxes will he need in all? So that's a real good question. You see a lot of questions like this in 4th grade. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and make an array. And I'm going to, the actual problem that you're doing on this one would be 23 divided by 3. Okay, that's a problem. We want to find out what the answer is to that. And we'll go ahead and use an array to figure out our answer. So I'm going to go ahead and make my array. That's 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to count all the way up to 23. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There we go. We have our remainder there. Okay, and then we have our groups here. You can just separate them like this. Okay, and that's going to represent how many boxes. That's how many boxes it took. Or I guess a better way to do it would be, okay, that's 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes, and 7 boxes would be full. And I would have 1 box that's not full, so I would need, well, the answer to the problem is 7, remainder 2. Okay, but in order to do this, I would have 7 full boxes, and I would have 8 boxes in all. Okay, and you see how I have my problem boxed in there, so I can go ahead and when I'm checking it, I can refer back to your scratch piece of paper there. Okay, let's go on to the next problem. Okay, on the next one, on the independent practice. Okay, it's kind of similar to our problems up here, 1 and 2. I have 18 jars, 4 jars in each box, so we're putting them into boxes. The problem is 18 divided by 4. So I'm going to make me an array. Make me an array. My array was going to be by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, that's my remainder right there. So I have a remainder of 2 left over. Okay, and how many boxes do I have? There's 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes. So that's 4 with 2 left over. 27. Okay, and I would go ahead, get on my scratch piece of paper, box that in, and that would be problem number 5. Okay, next problem. Problem number 7. Actually, we're going to go ahead. Yeah, problem number 7. Okay, problem number 7 is 27 divided by 7. 27 divided by 7, so I'm going to make an array of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, it looks like I almost ended up with another whole group of 7, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a remainder of 6 right there. There's 6 left over. And I have 1, 2, 3 altogether. So it's the answer would be 3, remainder 6. There's 3 with 6 left over. And that is problem number 7. So I would box that in. And you write problem number 7 there. That's fine. Okay, erase that. Okay, problem number 9. 31 divided by 8. 31 divided by 8. So, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, similar to the other problem. Almost had another group there, but not quite. So that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in it. And how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 full boxes. So 3 with a remainder of 7. Okay. Go down a little bit further, as far down as we can go. And that was problem number 9. Make sure you box that in on your scratch paper. Okay, problem number 11. 7 football cards. 3 cards on each page. How many pages can Alex complete? How many pages can he complete? Okay, and so that's going to be, he can put 3 cards on each page. Just do a little bit different strategy. We could go ahead and maybe draw a picture for this one. Just do something a little bit different. Okay, and drawing a picture is always a real good strategy. So you're going to go ahead and we'll put some, draw some pages here. Go and draw 3 pages. Okay, and then we'll put the football cards on the page. He's got 7 football cards in all, and he wants to put 3 on each page. So my football cards are going to be dots. So 3 on each page. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer of the division problem would be 7 divided by 3, and the answer would be 3 with 1 left over. But it's asking how many pages can Alex complete. He's going to complete 2 full, and I messed up on that one. It's not 3 remainder 1, it's 2 pages. Okay, with 1 left over there. So the actual answer is 2 pages, 2 complete pages. Okay, and we'll go ahead and look at 13 too. 34 stickers, 5 stickers on each page. How many pages will have some stickers? And that's a little bit different, have some stickers. We'll go ahead and do a very similar type problem. I might not have enough room to draw this one out, so we'll go ahead and just do our array to do this one. So 5 stickers on each page, and we have 34 stickers. So I'm just going to do my array by 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Okay. This page is, oh, should do my line. This page, that's one page. That's another page. I'll box it in, just make it look a little bit neater. That's another page. Another page. Okay, my last page, which is not full. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total pages are going to have stickers on them. Okay, but the actual answer to that problem, if I was doing the problem, which would be 34 divided by 5, would be 6, remainder 4. So let's go ahead and look at the back page. Okay, we're only going to do a couple problems on the back page. Okay, the first one. Okay, Amanda found that 34 divided by 8 equals 3 remainder 10. Is her answer correct? If not, what is the correct answer, and explain? So, okay, I know it's not correct because we talked before and we decided that our remainder cannot be larger than our divisor. Okay, so we'll go and work this problem out just doing a dot array like we had on the other problems. And so I'll make an array that is 8 across the top. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So one group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 total, with a remainder of 2. So the answer would be 4 remainder 2. 4 remainder 2. And the last problem. Okay, write a problem that requires adding 1 to the quotient when interpreting the remainder. Okay, and I wrote this problem right here. It says each table seats 8 students. How many tables will you need for 20 students? Now, let me go and erase my work area up here. I would have boxed this in and put a number on it so I can identify what I did. Okay, but okay, talking about tables, will seat 8 students. The actual problem that I'm doing is 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8. And if I do my array with my dots, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have a remainder of 4. Remainder 4, and then I have, it's like 2 full. 2 of my tables are going to be full. So that's 2 remainder 4. But I need to add 1 to my quotient to the answer because these people, these 4 students right here can't, they can't sit on the floor. So we're going to have to add 1 to a remainder. So that's an example of a problem where we'd have to add 1 to the quotient to get our answer correct. Also look at the video, look at the comments on the video, have something in the comments for extra credit, so make sure you look at the comments when you get done viewing this video, and you'll have a good evening.